Hello and welcome back to Drones Deep, and today I'm in the village of Wickhambreaux. Found another church. Wickhambreaux is between Ickham and Littlebourne, just outside Canterbury. Luckily for me, there is a public footpath just by the church and actually goes through the church itself, so I should be able to take off and land no problem. And as you can see, the church here at Wickhambreaux has got some nice open graveyards and a nice field behind me, so I should be able to get some nice clear shots without being surrounded by trees for a change. The church there looks quite nice, lit up in the late afternoon sun, so I should be able to get some nice shots from this angle, but anything from the other side of the church is going to be hidden in shadow, I think. So just going to have to hope for the best when we bring the drone around the other side. Okay, well, this is Wickhambreaux Church.
The Church of St Andrew stands at the heart of Wickhambreaux by the Green. The church, which dates back to the 13th century and underwent restoration in the Victorian era, is often open to tourists, many of whom like the exquisite east window in the Art Deco style and the impressive wall art. The church is dedicated to Saint Andrew, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. The village lies in the beautiful valley of the River Little Stour, surrounded by picturesque countryside. The Church of St Andrew has a public footpath running through its graveyard that makes it a perfect location for ramblers to admire. This beautiful, well-preserved church is just 6 miles away from the centre of Canterbury. St Andrew's Church in Wickhambreaux is now part of the Little Stour benefice.